Gemini Ultra versus GPT-4. With an impressive 16,384 with 5 chips, Gemini boasts 5 times the computing power of GPT-4. Meanwhile, Google also claims that the yet-to-be-released Gemini Ultra outperformed state-of-the-art models like GPT-4 on 30 out of 32 benchmark tests, including reasoning and image recognition. Once Ultra is out, Bard will evolve further into what Google calls Bard Advanced. Gemini Ultra received a remarkable 90% in Massive Multitask Language Understanding (MMLU), showcasing its ability to comprehend 57 subjects, including STEM, humanities, and more. GPT-4 Volts, on the other hand, reported an 86.4%. At reasoning, Gemini Ultra scored an 83.6% in the Big Bench Hard benchmark, demonstrating proficiency in diverse, multi-step reasoning tasks compared to GPT-4 Volt's 83.1%. Gemini Ultra excelled with an 82.4 F1 score in the Drop Reading Comprehension benchmark, while GPT-4 Volts achieved an 80.93 shot capability in a similar scenario. At Math, Gemini Ultra scored a 94.4% at basic arithmetic manipulations, while GPT-4 Volts scored a 92.0%.